Corporate governance helps to strengthen high governance standards. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week, we talked about the mutualization of exchanges and the SEC draft rule. Today, we want to look at the new SEC Code of Conduct for rating agencies. The Securities Exchange Commission earlier reiterated its plan to launch a corporate governance scorecard for listed companies in order to boost investors' confidence and deepen corporate governance practices in Nigeria, while the Corporate Governance Scorecard is expected to assess the level of compliance with the SEC Code of Corporate Governance by Nigeria's public companies on an annual basis. In a further action to this announcement, the Commission has released new Code of Conduct for rating agencies, which will help to deal with matters related to the quality of the rating process, the independence and the avoidance of conflict of interest, the responsibility to the investing public and issuers, and disclosure of the Code of Conduct and communication with market participants. The rating agencies are anticipated to perform through a process which will add quality to it by ensuring that the decision-making process for reviewing and potentially upgrading or downgrading the current rating of a product is conducted in an objective manner, and the review of the rating report published among other processes, while they are to be responsible to the investing public and issuers by publishing verifiable, quantifiable historical information about its rating opinions, and where possible, standards in which a way to assist investors in drawing performance comparisons between different rating agencies. Differentiate ratings of structured finance products from other ratings, preferably through different rating symbols. Indicate the attributes and limitations of each credit opinion and the limit to which it verifies information provided to it by the issuer or originator of a rated security. Provide investors and all subscribers, depending on the rating agency business model, with sufficient information about its loss and cash flow analysis of structured finance products. Disclose the principal method in use in determining a rating. The following companies are expected to hold their AGM soon. Nigerian Cement PLC on the 29th of April 2015 at Civic Center, Victoria Land, Lagos. FBN Holdings on the 21st of May 2015 and Transcorp PLC on the 8th of May 2015. The following companies have proposed corporate actions. EcoBank Transnational Incorporated recommended 1 for 15 bonus with closure date set for 25th of June 2015. FBN Holdings recommended 10 kobo dividend with 1 for 10 bonus shares and closure date set for 1st of June 2015. And USC Properties recommended 50 kobo dividend with closure date set for 31st of August 2015. CBN limits Naira card usage on overseas transactions to $50,000. Further to the circular of September 26, 2013, all authorized dealers and the general public are hereby informed that with effect from the date of this circular, 13th of April 2015, the existing limit on the usage of the Naira-denominated card for transaction overseas has been reviewed downwards. Accordingly, the limit has been reduced from $150,000 to $50,000 per person per annum. In addition, authorized dealers are to ensure that the daily cash withdrawal limit embedded in the card per person per day is pegged at $300. Authorized dealers are to ensure strict compliance with this new limit and render monthly returns of the transactions to the Director, Trade and Exchange Department, Central Bank of Nigeria, not later than 5th day of the following month. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. I remain your regular anchor until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.